Welcome into video 4, everyone. Let's read our expression to ourselves here in terms of combining like terms using algebra tiles. We've got 21s, we've got 1xy. What is 1xy? All right, we'll have to think about that one. I've got 4y squareds, I've got plus 2x's plus 1y squared. I've got 3x's, and we end with 4xy's. That's like, oh, 4 more of these is how I'm understanding that. Okay, so I didn't prepare my visuals on purpose because I wanted to talk about that xy with you all. So let's see how I did with everything else. I've got 21s. Here's 5, 10, 15, 20. Good to go. I'm going to come back to that, everybody, so sit tight. I've got 4y squareds. So here's my purple y squareds because that's y times y, right? So we've got y times y, and we've got 4 of those. I've got 2x's, in case you can't see them, there they are. I've got 1y squared by itself, and then we've got 3x's here, 1, 2, 3, and let's talk about these 4xy's. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to talk about that real quick in case you forgot or haven't even been introduced to this xy term. There's an x stick, there's a y stick. Now if we're going to multiply them, making like an array, that's what we're going to get. Okay, some type of overlap there. Let's talk about that. So in your bag, hopefully you have an xy rectangle because this is multiplication. You've got the x value times the y value. It would make that area, that green area right there. Okay, hope you're with me on that. Hope that makes sense. If not, rewind it. I'll say the same thing. Okay, here we go. Got those guys covered. Everything else is covered except for these 4xy's. I'm going to bring those into the picture. There's 3. You guys can see 3, but you probably can't see the 4th, so there's the 4th. Okay, you know me. Let's grab the largest. Here's y squared. Let's get all those guys together. Boom. The second largest. All those green ones. Let's get all those together. Those are the xy terms. What's the largest after that? Oh, these 20s can totally get out of the front. Get out of here. Those 21s go at the end. And let's bring in our xy's here together. Clump them up. Holy moly, everybody. If you think about it, we've got 4 groups here of terms. 4 groups of terms. Okay, so we need to keep them separate. That means our final answer will be 4 individual terms. Here we go. Let's count those. It's 3, 4, and 5. So we got 5 y squares. Those are y squares, right? Okay, what were these again? This is an x times a y. So that's an xy term. And I'm pretty sure we have 5 of those. That is correct. We've got 5 of those. And back to our x's. 3 and 2 make 5. Oh, lots of 5s here. Those are 5 x's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5, 21s. Okay? You know me, I like double checking just to make sure. Let's start with our y squared terms. Let's go find them. Here's our y squared term. Here's another y squared term. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Nailed it. Okay, what was next? What did we do next, everybody? The xy terms. Look at those guys. Those are x times y. And then 4 more x times y. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Got those. We've got our x terms. So 2 x's and 3 x's make 5 right there. And then our 21s really didn't do anything. They didn't combine with anything else because we didn't have any other ones. There it is. Good work, everybody. Let me know if you have questions. All right, take care.